How to save video from CapCut to gallery. Hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. On this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can save video from CapCut to gallery. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through quick through this video. In order to save videos from CapCut to gallery, what you can do is you can simply go ahead and push to open up CapCut. Now basically you'll have to export the particular file or the project that you are willing to save. So I'll just skip this. Head over to edit and open up the project that you would like to export, right? Once you have the project, you'll find the export icon at the top right corner. Tap on export and it'll load some ad. If you're on the free version, simply skip the ad. Once it gives you the skip option, you'll have to watch the ad and then it'll give you the skip option, and once you skip the ad, you'll get the cross icon. Tap on cross and it'll start exporting your video right away to your gallery, and then you'll be able to find it to your gallery. This is how you can easily save video from CapCut to gallery. You'll have to export it. Hope this video is helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.